Markets that you look after, how do you see the adoption of open source happening?
The open source is definitely moving fast ahead. Okay, I have been in the IT line for more than 20 years. Okay, starting from all the traditional databases like Oracle, SQL Server, and all that, is starting to see a lot of customers moving on to enterprise DB and moving on to the other open source technology too.
Usually, Indonesian market a bit difficult accept open source, but nowadays, because there is so many innovation from open source, then I think Indonesia will be open-minded about open source, and Indonesia will be a big and a huge market for open source.
We do believe the adoption of open source will be a very exciting development for everybody. I do believe that a lot of prime companies in the Philippines are moving away from the legacy or the old systems, the proprietary ones. So, and they're starting to embrace open source. It's going to be a very exciting time for all of us.
I think as a global, open source is expanding more and more because many people can use open source now. So I think that people is more interested in IT and open source too. In Indonesia, it's expanding too.
So everyone loves open source, but they don't know how to work with the open source in the right way. So maybe we could help to that gap.
And how do you look at Ashnik as an enabler, as a partner for you during this journey?
We have very good discussions moving ahead, and this seminar itself definitely gives us a good insights of what other technologies are available, what are the best way to go about moving forward.
Ashnik is a good partner for me especially, and for PT Inovasi Informatika Indonesia. Ashnik really helpful.
After seeing all the presentations done, it gives us that assurance that we have a very solid wall to lean on in terms of Ashnik being a leader in the open source technology and solutions.
Ashnik helped us to maintain the relationship between us and as a partner, and also with Ashnik, and give us a chance to develop more and more, and give us chance to learn to be a better self.
How did you like the partner workshop that took over the last 2 days?
Very good information, and especially with all the different technologies that is being presented, and with the answerings from some of the presenters, it helped us to really look at how to glue up all the different parts together.
This event very good event. As a sales, I feel like I get more some help to know about the product knowledge, and it will help me to sell the product because
this type of event will will continue because bringing us together here give us a collaboration with our use cases, and we can bring those use cases to the Philippines.
We learned a lot. Definitely gives us more confidence in terms of talking to customers.
I met a lot of people, and I gain a knowledge too for my country, for my company too.